A melody consists of music intervals and rhythm. So to make good melodies, you need to learn how to combine them into ways that expresses you. You need to listen and slowly go ahead creating your melodies note by note. The melodies are what makes songs singable, makes them resonate with the listener's heart. So when you do melodies, use your voice. Your voice has a clear path to what's important, since you use it every day to express how and who you are. So now I'm gonna show you how I do. In Ableton, I open up my piano roll and I start searching for a note that I want to start with. And I, of course, try all the notes. And I chose to go with this note. It has some kind of character that really resonated within me. Let's try. So, by simply singing along with the notes, my voice just made the next note. So this was one melody, but when making melodies, make a couple of them. You never know what's gonna happen. So maybe you will make a melody that's 10 times better, or maybe you will confirm that your first melody is amazingly good. So let's try to do one other melody. So what I like to do is just analyze what I did before just very fast, and what I come up with is the melody is always on the first bar, so let's not make it on the first bar. So we start again. This is really fresh to me, so I really like it. With the other melody, I started on the first beat, so I'm not gonna do that. So let's try to start on the second beat. Very creative. gonna... Yeah, that's something. And again we start on the second beat. Okay, so again, let's analyze this. The intervals we use are not very large, so let's make a new one where we use big intervals. So let's again start on something. So because we start on the first and the second beat, let's try to start on an off beat. I never used the... Let's use this note. So... Yeah, this... This is a bit more difficult for me, because now I'm doing something that I don't usually do, which is really good for me. Yeah, this is a big interval. And it sounds good also. And then it's a small. So we have these different modifiers, options that we can go by. We have fast, slow, we have small versus large intervals, we have fast versus slow rhythms, and you can make your own list with all the ones that you can find. Every time you look at what you do, analyze it and do something different. Because when you do something different, you don't know what you do. And when you don't know what you do, you need to use yourself and your creativity. And when you do that, then it becomes really special and important. So make a lot of melodies and don't be afraid to discard the ones you love if you find something better. Because it's all about the song and not just this one melody that you make. If you write a really good melody and it just doesn't fit in the song, then it's not a good melody. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider to subscribe and make some good music. Bye-bye.